Hello and welcome to the 116 weekly burn down meeting. Today is Thursday, September 12th. My name is Lachlan Evans and I'm the release lead. Reminder that this meeting is being recorded and will be posted to YouTube, and that all conversations fall under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct. As you can see, I'm coming to you live from the Seattle airport. So I have to go get on a plane momentarily, but I've asked Kenny to pinch hit and run the agenda. So thank you for doing that, Kenny. I'm going to go through my updates first, just given that I may have to step out.
I'm going to ignore.
Friendly reminder that today, end of day today, is cherry pick deadline. This means that the bug triage team and the CI signal team need to be on alert and make sure that we push any PRs and associated cherry picks to make it into the 116 release branch, and then subsequently watch CI signal to make sure things don't go red. We need to be on high alert in the next 24 hours to make sure that if things start to go red, we jump on the commits that broke things and get the owners of that code change aware. That's my main update. Monday is still set for the release date. That is 9/16. And we have one more burn down meeting tomorrow, and then on release day we'll have a meeting as well. With that, that's my updates. I will flick it over to Kenny for an update.
No update. Everything's green. Let's move on.
Thanks, Kenny. CI signal.
CI signal, everything's good, and there really isn't that much to report. So if no one has any questions, comments, concerns for this one, we can just pass it over to bug triage.
Alrighty, thank you. Bug triage.
Hi. So we have a few PRs coming through that are pushing us to yellow or maybe red. So it'd be great to get the opinion on that. So we have number 82374. That's an important soon PR that's come through, and number 82602. And then we have two more cherry picks that have not been approved as well. So we're keeping an eye on this, and we can pass these PRs over to the release team as well to take a look at as we move forward on that. There have been a number of PRs in the last 24 hours that have come through and have been designated for 1.16.1 after some discussion. So really things are moving quickly, so I don't have anything specific to report right now, but we will pass these through the Slack channel and through Slack messages as things come up.
That sounds perfect. Thank you very much, Bug Triage. I would just say ping the issues, make sure you're getting responses from the folks that have issues and PRs in that want to get it in as a cherry pick to the .0 release, and make sure that that's going ahead. Just ping me on Slack if you need somebody else to poke. The other thing that I've found is not many people who own these PRs are aware of how to cherry pick things. So we also been helping, you may see in SIG release, one of those PRs for the Red Hat, the RHEL 7 IP tables. The owner didn't know how to cherry pick, so I'm walking him through that process. So just stay on high alert, but I will be off this plane in like 2 hours. So if you need anything, I will check back into Slack. But can you give us, what time zone do you work, Josiah?
Pacific time.
Okay, can you just give us an update around lunch, how things are looking, and then at the end of the day, if we're still red or yellow, I would like to think that we're going to get it to green today, because I really want CI signal to at least have 3 days to run with no other commits to the .0 release.
Sure, absolutely.
So yeah, and if you need me, just ping me directly on Slack. Otherwise, it sounds like you've got everything under control.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Docs update.
Hey, Seth here from the Docs team. No major update, still green. Everything's good. Nice and easy.
Fantastic. Thank you, Seth. And docs, release notes. Kristen.
Hi, SIG release. So we're at green. We finished the metrics section in the docs, preparing to move over to the template structure instead of the ad hoc markdown Google Doc. Anyone wanting edits to the release notes, please give the document a look today or tomorrow. And lastly, we're working on some enhancements to the release notes website. There's a link to the preview. For example, we're adding the additional documentation section. So please have a look, and that's it for us.
Thank you, Kristen. And the docs team, comms, Taylor.
Howdy, everybody. Happy Thursday. Today, I don't have any major updates for you. It's kind of the same as yesterday. Still working on overall blog draft that should be done today by between 12 and 1. If you'll notice, that's lunchtime. that'll be completed. I am in contact with Ellie and Kim McMahon from CNCF, so they're fully aware. They're starting to get that machine rolling for after release. So we're looking good on that front. Other than that, no blockers, no impediments. Good job, everybody.
Thanks, Taylor. And comms, release branch management with Young.
Hello, everyone. So today will be the cherry pick deadline, and we had 3 PRs merged yesterday, and I see we at least have 1 to go today. The official release will be next Monday, and I will be doing it. And if it's too late, Stephen may help me to cover the left. That's all from me.
Thank you, Young. That's it for the stated agenda. Do we have anything, Park, anything else that needs discussion?
Not at the moment.
Excellent. Is there anything from anyone else? Otherwise, we can keep this relatively short. Nope.
That's very efficient. 10 minutes.
Very efficient. Happy cherry pick deadline, and I will see you all in Slack. Thanks. Have a great day.
Thanks, y'all.
See you.